Welcome back to session 23 of GED Science Mastery. Space questions are often friendlier than they look because the GED focuses on a few reliable ideas. Earth rotates, Earth revolves, the moon reflects sunlight, eclipses are shadow alignments, and seasons come from Earth's tilt, not distance from the sun. That last one is a classic trap, and today we will beat it. The sun is a star at the center of our solar system. Planets, including Earth, orbit the sun because of gravity. Earth has two motions you must separate. Rotation means Earth spins on its axis. That causes day and night. Revolution means Earth travels around the sun. One revolution is 1 year. So rotation gives day and night, while revolution plus Earth's tilt gives the seasons. The moon does not make its own light. We see sunlight reflected from the moon's surface. As the moon orbits Earth, we see different amounts of its sunlit half. That is what phases are: new moon, crescent, first quarter, gibbous, full moon, and back again. The lit half always faces the sun, but from Earth, our viewing angle changes during the month. An eclipse happens when the sun, Earth, and moon line up so that one body casts a shadow. In a solar eclipse, the moon is between the sun and Earth, so the moon blocks the sun. The order is sun, moon, Earth. In a lunar eclipse, Earth is between the sun and moon, so Earth's shadow falls on the moon. The order is sun, Earth, moon. Put the middle object in your mind and the question becomes much easier. Now, the classic GED trap. Seasons do not happen because Earth gets much closer to or farther from the sun. Seasons happen because Earth's axis is tilted. When a hemisphere tilts toward the sun, it gets more direct sunlight and longer days, so it has summer. When that hemisphere tilts away, it gets less direct sunlight and shorter days, so it has winter. The northern and southern hemispheres have opposite seasons because they tilt opposite ways. Let's read a short evidence table. In June, the northern hemisphere is tilted toward the sun, and it is summer in the north. In December, the northern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun, and it is winter in the north. The passage also says Earth is actually a little closer to the sun in January than in July. That fact matters because January is winter in the north, so closeness to the sun cannot be the main cause of northern hemisphere summer. What causes the seasons, and why does the January fact matter? Read. June has the north tilted toward the sun in summer. December has the north tilted away in winter. Earth is closer to the sun in January. Choose. Seasons are caused by axial tilt, not distance. The tilted toward hemisphere gets more direct sunlight and longer days. Check. If distance caused seasons, January should be warm in the north, but it is not. A few vocabulary words carry a lot of points. A star produces its own light. The sun is a star. A planet orbits a star. Earth is a planet. An orbit is the path one object takes around another. Rotation is spin. Revolution is one trip around. A phase is the lit part of the moon we see. An eclipse is a shadow alignment. If you keep those words separate, many answer choices become easy to eliminate. Let's lock in the traps. 1. Seasons come from distance. No, seasons come from Earth's tilt. 2. The moon makes its own light. No, it reflects sunlight. 3. Solar and lunar eclipses are the same. No, solar has the moon in the middle. Lunar has Earth in the middle. 4. Rotation causes seasons. No, rotation causes day and night. The recap: rotation, revolution, reflected moonlight, eclipse alignment, and tilt. Excellent work today. You can now explain moon phases, tell solar from lunar eclipses, and beat the seasons distance trap. Your practice for this session is the 10 questions attached to this lesson. For seasons, ask which hemisphere is tilted toward the sun. For eclipses, ask what object is in the middle. To read the full lesson notes and practice more GED science questions, visit the course page at www.bridgetoexam.com. I will see you in session 24, the final test day mastery session.